Hello everyone, welcome to visit Qiming Packaging. We are a professional manufacturer. This is our main product, flange protection cap. There are 4 holes and 6 holes in different sizes and colors. This is the flange protection cap, which can protect the entire flange face. It has complete sizes and can be customized in color. There are many colors to choose from: blue, yellow, pink and so on. Supports size and color customization. Free samples. This is our pipe plug. We have it in all sizes, from big to small. No matter how big the pipe you have, we can produce protective caps. This is our tube protection cap. It has all kinds of sizes and styles. Can customize printing, logo and size. Supports size and color customization. Free samples. Welcome everyone to send us an inquiry. Thank you.